Hi, let me show you some tips and tricks of your Redmi Note 14. So let's start by opening settings. And now let's find desktop wallpaper and personalization and choose always on display. So you can enable it here by tapping on the switcher and it will light up blue like that. And after that, you'll see always on display on your lock screen, which is pretty cool. We can also go in display items and here choose to turn off when battery saver is on, or if you want to use AOD all the time, you can disable this one. So you'll see always on display, always. Of course, we can customize it so you can pick theme here. There are many options for always on display. For example, let's pick this one. You can customize it so you can change text color, and of course you can add battery widget and notifications, or you can remove battery widget or remove to show notifications. Now let's apply it and check. For that I'm gonna lock my screen and here it is, always on display. Let's go back in this wallpaper and personalization setting. And here we can also find cool feature, which is notification effects. So each time you'll receive new notification, your screen will either be animated like that with the starlight effect, or you can make it pulse red or blue color. So the edges of the display will pulse blue. Also, you can choose to light up screen or disable any of effects. But I'm gonna pick Starlight and save the changes using this back arrow. And also here we can find fingerprint effects. So if you set fingerprint unlock, you can customize it. So there are many options, for example, Starlight, which will look like that when you will place your finger on scanner. So this is what animation you'll get. Let's leave the Starlight and check it. So I'm gonna place my finger on the scanner. And yeah, we got this Starlight effect, which is pretty cool. And here we can also find lock style. So basically you can customize lock screen and choose new wallpaper. So just swipe up or down, left or right to find the best option. And you can hit this button customize. In this type of wallpaper, you can change clock style, for example, and also you can change font color just by tapping any color. And also you can add some filters and pinch to crop. But in different type of wallpaper, you can add some widget, for example. So let's pick this one, tap customize and choose to customize it. So here we can also change our time format. We can switch from date widget to, for example, another type of date widget or weather widget. For example, we can add temperature. Then lower, we can add something new, for example, air quality. And here we can enter signature. So, for example, you can write down here your phone number in case if you lose your phone, someone will be able to call to this number and simply bring your phone back. Also, we can change font here as well as color and save the changes by tapping down and then apply. And also, you can tap customize. On the bottom of the screen, you can choose wallpaper and find many new options for the wallpaper. Also, you can set your own photo if you go in this local photos folder. Here you can select a photo, pinch to crop and tap apply. But let's pick something else, for example, this one. And here I'm gonna choose to apply it to my lock screen. And if you want to customize your home screen, then you can pick something from this tab, for example this one. After that, tap apply, and from here choose to set as home screen, for example, or you can set both or only lock screen. We are almost done, just a few features left, so continue watching this video. And let's select this sound and vibration tab for now, because here we can find sound effects, in which we can enable Dolby Atmos for more immersive sound experience and better sound quality. And if you decide to enable it, you can go in Dolby Effects and here choose preset in equalizer settings. For example, classical or electronic if you are listening electronic music. Or you can create your own preset by choosing this custom option and dragging those sliders up or down to create the best unique preset. And save the changes using back arrow, of course. And the last feature I want to show you is placed in additional settings in gesture shortcuts. So here you can customize your power button. For example, you can go in Launch Digital Assistant and enable it with the help of pressing and holding power button. So just tap on this switcher so it will light up blue like in my case. Now you can press and hold the power button, which is located on the right side of the phone, and trigger your digital assistant, which is Gemini. Let's go back, and here we can also find cool feature to take a screenshot with the help of sliding 3 fingers down. So you can do like that, and screenshot will be taken immediately. And of course, you can enable partial screenshot if you want to, and for that you need to press and hold with 3 fingers. You can switch to circle form, for example, and now just do like that and save this type of screenshot. But I'm gonna discard it and go to launch camera. So you can set double press the power button to launch camera and double press volume down when the screen is locked to launch camera. Let's choose this first option. Now I'll try to double press the power button. And yep, the camera opens immediately. Let's go back in settings. Again, gesture shortcuts. And now let's check this one. Double press volume down when the screen is locked. So lock the screen, double press volume down, and the camera will be opened as well. So let's go back here, and the last feature we got is to turn on flashlight with the help of double pressing the power button. So you can double press it and enable flashlight. And that's all about tips and tricks of this Redmi Note 14. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.